Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about apricots, and I have a list of suggested specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with apricots. So if you're looking for some new ideas using apricots, hopefully this will help you out. Combine apricots with almonds, cinnamon, and oats. Sounds like a yummy breakfast. Or apricots with almonds, raisins, orange, and yogurt. Sounds like a great parfait to me. Apricots with brown sugar, sweet potatoes, and vanilla. Apricots with chilies, ginger, honey, lime, and vinegar. Apricots with chocolate and walnuts. Apricots with citrus of your choice, orange, lemon, or lime, plus ginger. Apricots with dried cherries, walnuts, oats, and yogurt. Or apricots with a grain of your choice, couscous or wild rice, something like that, plus some nuts. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.